Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be going over how to install the Leupold DeltaPoint Pro reflex sight, aka the DPP, and I'm going to be installing this on the new Walther PDP. I did some research, and the reason why I'm going with the DPP is because of its more forgiving field of view, so it's easier when you draw to connect to that red dot. I've always got to be Captain Obvious over here, but please make sure your gun is unloaded and on the safety feature if it has one before you do any work on it. The first thing you're going to do is find the battery latch. It's got like a little knob in it, and pop that baby open. So with the battery that it gives you, just pop it in there with the text side up. Press the battery cover firmly down and simultaneously push the latch back over the top of the cover. There should be a white mark that gets covered by the latch. Press and hold the battery for 3 seconds to make sure that the red dot turns on before you go through all the trouble of mounting it. There's 2 Torx screws holding down the plate. The Walther case should come with the tool that you need to unscrew them with. Leupold suggests that you go to a gunsmith for this, but I'm not really sure why that is. If anyone could enlighten me, please let me know in the comments. After unscrewing the screws, make sure you keep them because we'll need them for the new mounting plate. On Walther's website, you can request the mounting plate for the Walther PDP free of charge. I'll share the link below. Make sure your mounting plate, the text is facing towards the front of the gun. And I mean, it's pretty obvious. You'll see that the screw holes line up perfectly. Take the screws from earlier, and some people will decide here to put on some Loctite. Go ahead and screw it in. And the Leupold, they suggest using 25 pounds of torque. I'm not really sure if you can do that with your arm or not. So also, again, if anyone wants to comment on that, please let me know. And last but not least, the sight mounting. So you're going to take your sight and you're going to place it on top of the mounting plate. The screws and the tool that you'll need for the Torx screws for the sight come with the sight. Again, if you prefer to Loctite, this is the step that you would do so. And then you'll go ahead and screw in these 2 screws as firmly as you possibly can. And then, yeah, you're all done. I hope you guys found this video to be super helpful, especially for the visual learners out there like myself, who just don't really like reading instructions. I'd rather just learn by doing or seeing someone else do it first. So there you go. I went through the pain for you. You're welcome.